Search function searches for a string or character in another string and it returns the first position where the character is found. For example, here we are searching for C in Tech Coach. We have multiple C in Tech Coach, but when we used search, it returned 3, which is the position of first C. If we search for capital C, it is still returning 3, which means search is case insensitive. It does not take into consideration case while searching. In fact, if you see the definition of search, it is explicitly mentioned that search is case insensitive. Search expects 3 parameters, 2 of which are mandatory. The first one is the text we want to find, and the second one is the string where we want to find our text. We have the third optional parameter which can help us change the starting position from where we want our search to begin. For example, if we want to search for H in Tech Coach, but instead of starting from T, which is at the first position, we want to start after the first space, so we will specify 6 as our starting position, 4 characters for tech and 1 for space. It will give 10 as the position of H, which means if we start searching for H from the 6th position, we have H at the 10th position. If you notice, we did have one H at the 4th position itself. Since we explicitly told Excel to start looking from 6th character, Excel did not consider this H. Let's look at find function, which is case sensitive. If we look for capital C using find instead of search, it will return 6 and not 3. This is because find is treating small c and capital C as different letters and it is explicitly looking for capital C. This is one of the two main differences between find and search. Find is case sensitive while search is case insensitive. Although the syntax of find and search is the same. Another difference is that search function allows regular expression in its search patterns while they don't work with find. So we can use question mark, asterisk in our search pattern and it will work for search but it will not work for find. So here we are looking for the starting position in a string which has O and H, and since it has asterisk in between, 0 or more characters can come in between them. When we use it with search, it returns 7, which is the position of O in Tech Coach. So it looked for this regular expression in this string, found it, and then fetched the starting position of first character O, which was 7. If we try the same with find function, it returns hash value error because find does not understand regular expression. So to recap, find is case sensitive but it does not support regular expression, while search is case insensitive and it supports regular expressions. Let's combine them with mid, left and right and we will solve some interesting scenarios.